And for a closer look at the legal ramifications, I want to bring in Cardozo law professor Deborah Pearlstein for more. Deborah, good morning. If the House impeaches President Trump today, is it still possible, or rather I should say it is still possible, that the Senate trial won't start until he's out of office? So what would a conviction mean if he's no longer president?
Good morning. That's right. So currently the Senate is meeting in only pro forma sessions. It would take action by the Majority Leader Mitch McConnell to call the Senate back into regular session so they could proceed with a trial. Currently, the Senate is not scheduled to reconvene in that mode until January 19th. The president will argue after that the Senate cannot continue with a trial because he has already left office will be leaving office by January 20th. But it seems pretty clear under the Constitution that indeed a trial can continue. It has happened before in the past, for example, with the impeachment and subsequent trial of a Secretary of Defense, a Secretary of War that was called then. And I think the textual case under the Constitution is quite clear that it can be allowed to continue. The reason why allowing a trial to continue would be important even after the president leaves office is because it provides for the sole mechanism that the Constitution offers for prohibiting the president from running for public office again. If the president is ultimately convicted in a Senate trial, then the Senate can vote by a simple majority vote to deny the president the constitutional ability to hold public office again.
And you say President Trump could also face criminal liability for his conduct last week and not just for the riot?
So the president is now facing criminal exposure of at least two different kinds. And these allegations, not in criminal form, but the facts supporting them are included in the House impeachment report as well. The president is facing potential criminal exposure, both for the phone calls and the efforts he made in Georgia to get the Secretary of State and others there to engage in election fraud, which is a crime under both state and federal law. And then he is separately potentially facing criminal exposure for his conduct in connection with the insurrection at the Capitol on January 6th, not only under federal law where there are offenses like seditious conspiracy that exist, but also as the Washington, D.C. Attorney General made clear in a news conference yesterday, potential incitement charges under the D.C. Criminal Code. Now, those charges, those potential charges, those cases are hard to prove. They turn centrally on the president's intent, both with respect to the election and with respect to the activities at the Capitol. It's not at all certain that those charges will be brought or that they would go forward, but any lawyer advising the president at the moment would have to advise the president that he was now facing serious criminal liability beginning when he leaves office on January 20th.
All right. Deborah Pearlstein, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.